A free bird leaps on the back of the wind.
The back of the wind.
And floats down streams till the current ends.
And dips its wings in the orange sun rays.
In the orange sun rays.
Dares to claim the sky.
But a bird that stalks down his narrow cage
can seldom see through its bars of rage.
His wings are clipped and his feet are tied.
And his feet are tied.
So he opens his throat to sing.
To sing.
The caged bird sings with a fearful trill.
Of things unknown, but longed for still.
And his tune is heard on the distant hill.
For the caged bird sings of freedom.
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 The free bird thinks of another breeze.
And the trade winds soft through the sighing trees.
And the fat worms waiting on the dawn bright lawn.
And he names the sky
his
own.
But a caged bird on the grave of dreams.
His shadow shouts on a nightmare scream.
His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing.
The caged bird
Sings with a fearful trill.
Of things unknown.
Unknown, but longed for still.
And his tune is
Heard on a distant hill. For the caged bird.
For the caged bird.
For the caged bird sings of freedom.
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 Of freedom.
freedom.
There's a rhyming word.
I'd like to make it right and just be a more respectful. I was saying.
When you drink, you look pretty.
They just said that
When you drink handsome, you look handsome.
Okay, for a man, you're supposed to drink him. For a woman,
right. I love to draw paint. Right.
That's true, but
now, explain it.
if it's a song, it's a different speech.
I love to
There's a rhyming word.